Schools, office buildings, and factory production lines all face the same challenge: how to achieve the strongest video management with limited budgets. That's why the answer is ACTi VMS Client, a professional solution that lets you control your security system anytime, anywhere. First, let's talk about live view. ACTi Windows NVR supports up to 225 live channels, with flexible grid layouts for full customization. It features fisheye dewarping and integrates with Google Maps and GPS, so managers can see everything at a glance. Combined with hardware-accelerated decoding and two-way audio, operators can respond instantly, whether at school entrances, office lobbies, or factory production lines. Next, we have Playback. The system supports instant playback and multi-channel synchronized comparison, so you can check multiple sites at once. Playback speeds range from 1/64x to 256x, allowing detailed inspection or fast review of long recordings. This ensures security staff can gather maximum information in the shortest time. Then, there's export. ACTi VMS Client can export recordings in AVI, MKV, MP4 and more, with flexible clipping options. For legal cases, you can export the original file with a built-in player to guarantee authenticity. With hardware-accelerated exporting, whether it's a campus incident, office dispute, or factory accident, you'll have court-ready evidence in seconds. Meanwhile, let's talk about setup. The workflow is highly intuitive, allowing quick duplication across channels. It supports Active Directory for managing hundreds of users, and all camera settings can be adjusted directly inside the VMS, no need to open each device's webpage. For IT staff in schools, offices, or factories, this means lower maintenance costs and faster deployment. In addition, event management is extremely powerful. It supports video analytics, motion detection, audio, and system events, and can trigger pop-ups, sound alerts, PTZ control, and digital outputs. Alerts can even be pushed to mobile devices, including notifications, video clips, and line messages. Security is no longer passive, it becomes proactive. Then, we move to search. The system provides thumbnail search, event search, and bookmark search. Whether it's a school dispute, a suspicious person in an office lobby, or a factory safety anomaly, you can quickly find the exact footage in huge archives. Finally, let's highlight video analytics. ACTi VMS Client integrates AI cameras for facial recognition, intrusion detection, line crossing, license plate recognition, and traffic flow analysis. These smart features help schools, offices, and factories detect risks in advance and stop threats proactively, turning security into prevention. So, why choose ACTi VMS Client? Because it combines monitoring, event management, and analytics into one platform, costs 50% less than Milestone, and requires no annual maintenance fees. You get stronger security, for much lower cost. In summary, if you want to buy more, spend less, reduce risks, and improve efficiency, this is your best choice. Contact us today and build your own intelligent security system.